G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
So from this position here, we're going to do a basic guard pass, but one that's designed for the street. Now there's a whole bunch of guard passes you can do for BJJ which are great, but on the street it's not as simple as that and you have to always adapt some things. So the best way we can do that from here is to get out of his legs, is to just hammer fist down on his chest as hard as I can. It'd be on his face if I could reach, but when I'm sitting back I can't reach his face. If I was up like this, for example, the angle's different, the angle's better, and I can drive down and get a lot more power, and the better target would be his face. But from back here, the chest is the area that I can hit the best. Now I would do this while I was hammer fisting. I'd scream as loud as I could and I'd try and overwhelm him as much as I can with shock and confusion, so his legs just undo, all by himself. From there, it's hands on the chest, push up, and I run away, and it's as simple as that. So we're not doing anything complicated other than hitting him in the chest as hard as I can, screaming at the same time so he gets overwhelmed and confused. His legs undo, hands on the chest, up, as soon as his legs are open, and we're gone. So another example of that would be with the pad. And we always look after our partner, but you can do this on the pad. That from here, I hit down, I won't scream for the sake of the purpose, but you can get the idea. I hit down until his legs undo, then I'm up and gone. So we're here and we just go up and gone. As soon as his legs undo, we're up on our feet and we're gone. So once more, we just drive down, up and gone. And he can't hold that very well. It'd be very overwhelming and very confusing while I'm screaming at the same time. But it's a very easy way to undo his legs if we're on the street. As soon as they're open, I'm up, I'm gone, and I run down the street as fast as I can, and I don't come back and have a second go because it could get worse from there and from there. So as soon as I hit, as soon as they're open, I'm up and I'm gone and I'm safe.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.